And welcome to Module 1 of Digital Technologies Summer C 2026. So again, I will record one of these for every module throughout the semester, along with an assignment video associated with each assignment. I will do my best to keep these videos as short and concise as possible. Again, it can be tricky with a long video, so I'll keep them very short. Module 1 overview here. We got assignment 1 walkthrough, assignment 2 walkthrough. You can find the assignment walkthroughs here and also within each assignment. Okay, this week there's 4 things to do. The first thing is super duper simple, attendance verification survey. Most likely you've taken an entrepreneurship course before, so it's the same survey. When you're done, you get a code. You only have to, and you enter the code into the survey input here. You only have to do that once, and you do that once for, and you use that same code in every verification survey that you're doing for the Summer C term. Okay. Video introduction, that's very, very simple. That's just going to ask you to record a 60-second video introducing yourself. It is very, very important to do this one because this is our only participation grade so far. So that participation grade is 10% of the final grade. So you want to submit this, you want to do it on time to put you in a good standing in the course right off the bat. Okay. That is strategic. We want to do that at the very beginning. So again, that everyone who submits it is in a good place moving into the rest of the course. Fit potential and ideation, that's where we're going to kind of narrow down on one idea, where it's a thought exercise assignment, and we narrow down on one idea that we're going to use as I call our reference piece throughout the rest of the semester. So the idea here being is that whether or not it's a venture that it is that you're actively working on growing, or if it is something that you're just interested in, we want to make sure we kind of iron that out so we have that in the background so that when anytime we go through new tools and new methods, you're able to immediately apply those new tools and methods to how they can benefit you and what it is that your venture is working on. Okay, so basically creating those direct relationships between that venture you're working on and the tools that we are overviewing in each section. Okay, and the next thing, assignment number 3, is quiz on reading 2. So reading 2 is the AIDA model. There is a video lecture also involved, so I recommend watching that. And this is what you want to read right here. So beneath assignments, notice we have watch me, assignments, readings. Readings, you're going to want to read both of these, but there's a quiz on the second one, ADIA model. I think one of those is, it's actually, let's notice one of these is wrong. It's actually attention, interest, desire, action. So I'll fix this one. Anyway, next is resources to help complete the assignments. There's a Fit Potential Tutor link in the assignment video. You can actually see what that is specifically. Ideation example slides, you can use those. AIDA presentation, that is what I'm going through in the lecture video. And then additional resources, you'll see there's a lot of additional resources. Take your time, click through these. These are here to be a benefit for you. As I mentioned before, I am here to be a resource to you. This course, the school are all resources to you to be able to build out your venture. Or whatever. Maybe you might be seeking employment and being able to build a better resume. Or maybe it is that you're really trying to start a business now. And if it's the latter, I say that there's nothing holding you back. Now is the time. Take advantage of the resources of the school while it is that you're here. They don't go away when you graduate, which is also kind of unique about the Dave Blair Kawanui School. But you want to make sure that you lean in now because it makes more sense. It's practically the homework to do so anyway. So definitely reach out if you have any questions or would like to meet individually. I am here and happy to help. Okay, have a great first week. Now's the time to start strong. And again, reach out anytime. Okay, wings up. Go Eagles.